Welcome to Schweizerdeutsch Tutor, Schweizerdeutsch für Anfänger. In today's video, we are going to talk about irregular verbs in the Präsens, the present simple. Last week, we learned how to identify the verb stem of regular verbs and which endings we add when conjugating them. Irregular verbs do not follow this system. Some verbs have the same or similar conjugated endings. However, their verb stem is not constant and changes in the different conjugated forms. As with regular verbs, the plural form of the irregular verbs are always identical. Let's look at some of the most important irregular verbs. Sie, to be. Ich bin. Du bist. Sie, es ist. Wir sind. Ihr sind. Sie sind. Ha, to have. Ich ha. Du hast. Sie, es hat. Wir haben. Ihr habt. Sie haben. Ga, to go. Ich ga, or ich gane. Du gehst. Sie, es geht. Wir gehen. Ihr geht. Sie gehen. Können, to can. Ich kann. Du kannst. Sie, es kann. Wir können. Ihr könnt. Sie könnt. These are the four most important irregular verbs in Swiss German. You can find more irregular verbs and different exercises related to the regular and the irregular presents in our beginner's ebook Zurich für Anfänger, or download our language learning app Schweizerdeutsch Tutor from the App Store or Google Play. As a quick exercise, try to create 4 sentences containing irregular verbs. Write us your solution as a comment under this video for a chance to win 30 minutes of personalized tutoring on Schweizerdeutsch-tutor.com. The winners will be announced at the end of each month. Next week's topic are the numbers from 1 to 20. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. This is very helpful for small channels like ours. Merci vielmals, macht's gut und bis zum nächsten Mal mit Schweizerdeutsch Tutor.